Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fritzie, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my journey using the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a little chart, and I'm just gonna post a clip of me unboxing the whole system. So here I am showing you guys my journey using this whitening kit. To be honest with you guys, I have used different whitening systems out there. I'm really excited about this, especially when HiSmile announced that they have a new and improved gel formula and it won't cause you sensitivity and any pain and all that. So it's been a while since I whitened my teeth. I think I would say like almost 3 years, and I did buy HiSmile a couple years ago. I got busy when I opened up my hair shop, so I never really got around it, and I thought the products expired, so I just threw it away. But my boyfriend did have some way before me, and he said he loved it. He said it worked, so I mean, he has a nice smile now. So I decided to try HiSmile again because I mean, they're everywhere, first of all, and big celebrities use it, influencers, my friends, my boyfriend, pretty much anyone I know has used this and loved their results. So that's why I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should give it another try. So here we are trying the new formulation and all that, and I will show you guys for the past 6 days that I've been using it, and I documented every night that I used it. So this is how the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit looks like. It comes with this chart from a level 1 all the way to a level 12 with a mouth tray and also the LED light that you put in together. First, you want to remove the plastic off the back so it can turn on, and you just close it off like so, and there you go. And let's not forget, it comes with 3 syringes of the whitening gel. I also got the pink toothpaste because this is supposed to improve your overall oral health and protect your teeth from any sensitivity. And then I just decided to just get 3 extra syringes of the whitening gel just because, you know, for emergencies. So just to be clear, you guys, my teeth aren't that bad, but my teeth are stained from all the teas, coffees, chocolates, everything, like wine that I have consumed in the past couple years or so. Here I'm brushing my teeth with the pink toothpaste because it is recommended to brush your teeth prior to any whitening or whatever. Then I'm just attaching the LED light with the mouth tray. So this is just me prepping it before I apply the whitening gel on it. So the syringes has measurements, and it's recommended that you put a quarter on top and a quarter on the bottom. So you want to spread the product like so, like what I'm doing, and make sure it's even. You're not doing too much, because then if you do, then you won't have enough for the next day. So the other half, it'll be for your second day or third or whatever. Once that is placed on the tray, I put it in my mouth. As you can see, it's kind of big for my mouth, but you know, I make it work. And then 10 minutes and you're done. So that was my first day, and then obviously this is my second, and then I'm just going to show you third all the way to 6th day that I've been using it, being consistent. You know, like I said, consistency is the key to this. It is so easy to use. Anyone can do this. There's instructions in the box on the website, so even if you lose the box, you can still go on the website and check out all the information on there. The gel formula doesn't really move around in your mouth once it's in there, so I feel like it just sits there. Like, it's not runny or watery or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about swallowing the whitening gel. And surprisingly, the gel doesn't have an awful taste to it, so it doesn't make you want to gag or spit it out. I purposely didn't apply any red lipstick because I feel like that will really brighten up my teeth. So there, I just have lip gloss, and let me show you the chart. So I was around 5 and 6 when I started, and now let me get closer so I can show you guys. So now I'm between 3 and 4. So it did remove some of my stains. I only did 6 days, like I said. It's been a few days since I last used the whitening kit. Like, I am done with my kit. So far, I haven't felt any discomfort or sensitivity whenever I drink something hot or cold, or when I bite into things, when I'm chewing and all that. Everything feels normal. So I was really like waiting for that sensitivity because I am sensitive. The past few days I've been drinking cold water, and yeah, I haven't really felt any sensitivity on my teeth. When I eat, everything's fine. So I really think that the new formula that they have is really good, because the other teeth whitening systems that I use, it really made my teeth sensitive, and that's the reason why I stopped drinking cold drinks. I would definitely recommend this product, especially if you're someone around 3 to 7, just because I was around that range. And all I could tell you guys, the key to this is being consistent. Like, don't do it for one night and then the next night skip it, eat or drink something that will stain your teeth. You're pretty much just wasting your money, wasting your time, and you're gonna be disappointed. So just be consistent. Don't do anything crazy. Don't eat anything that will stain your teeth while you're doing this teeth whitening kit. And I think if you have that discipline, you will achieve your results faster, and you'll be happy faster. You'll be able to smile right away. So everyone's gonna be jealous and all that. Get on this. I really love it. I am really impressed with the new formula. I'm so glad I got it, and I'm so glad I was really consistent with this, because, you know, life happens, people get busy and all that. So sometimes you feel like you don't have time in the world to do something so simple. I mean, this is like 10 minutes. You could do it before you shower or while in the shower. You can, you know, pop this baby in there. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys learned something. Bye.